Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic performance sedans ever made, the 2026 BMW M3. This car has always represented the perfect balance of power, luxury, and driving thrill, and the latest generation pushes that legacy even further into the future. So let's break it down and see what makes the 2026 cubic meters such a standout in the automotive world. First, let's talk design. The 2026 BMW M3 carries on the aggressive yet refined look that the M division is known for. Up front, it features a sharper interpretation of BMW's signature kidney grille, redesigned with cleaner edges and a sleeker finish, giving the car a sportier but more modern face. Slim laser headlights with blue accents add a futuristic vibe, while the wide stance, sculpted hood lines, and aerodynamic side skirts remind you this isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a track-capable machine. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a more integrated diffuser emphasize performance, while new lightweight alloy wheel options and bold color choices, like Frozen Marina Bay Blue and Isle of Man Green, make sure it stands out in any crowd. Now onto performance, the heart of the M3. Under the hood sits a turbocharged inline-six engine that's been further refined for 2026. It now produces over 530 horsepower, delivering lightning-fast acceleration while still maintaining the trademark balance that M cars are known for. Buyers can still choose between rear-wheel drive for purists or BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system for maximum traction. The 8-speed automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for sharper shifts, though a 6-speed manual remains an option for those who crave the old-school driving connection. 0 to 60 comes in just about 3.4 seconds, making this M3 one of the fastest yet, while enhanced adaptive suspension and precision steering ensure every corner feels alive with feedback and control. Step inside, and the 2026 cubic meters continues to blend sportiness with high-end comfort. The cabin features BMW's curved digital display that stretches across the dashboard, housing both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system in one seamless panel. Materials are top-notch, think carbon fiber trim, merino leather, and optional Alcantara accents. The front seats are heavily bolstered M Sport seats designed to hold you in place during aggressive driving, but they're still comfortable enough for long trips. Ambient lighting, a premium Harman Kardon or optional Bowers and Wilkins sound system, and customizable drive modes make the M3's interior both high-tech and driver-focused. When it comes to unique features, BMW has packed the M3 with cutting-edge technology. The latest iDrive 9 system includes advanced voice controls, over-the-air updates, and a new augmented reality navigation system that projects turn-by-turn directions directly onto the windshield with the head-up display. Track enthusiasts will love the M Drift Analyzer and M Lap Timer apps, which record driving performance data for review later. Meanwhile, safety and convenience features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make it versatile enough for daily driving. All in all, the 2026 BMW M3 perfectly represents evolution without compromise. It sharpens its performance, enhances its technology, and refines its luxury while staying true to the soul that made it an icon. Thanks for watching.